The spike in COVID cases in the country is now starting to become a cause of concern as India has reported this year's biggest ever spike on Wednesday with a surge of over 5,300 plus cases in just 24 hours. On the 26th of March, India had reported a surge of a little less than 1,900 cases in a day. Just 10 days later, that number is now more than double. The graph on your screen right now gives you an understanding of just how quickly the cases have been spiraling in just the last 10 days. Over the last 2 weeks, in fact, the surge in cases has forced the centre as well as states to take note. Just about 2 weeks ago, the active caseload was at 7,600, while today it stands at above 23,000. The daily positivity rate and the weekly positivity rate have also both doubled. To put it in numbers, the last 14 days have seen a surge in daily caseload of 241%, while India's active caseload has gone up by 203%. Now, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia is all set to hold a meeting with the state health ministers tomorrow. That is the breaking news that is coming in right now, given the sudden spike in the number of cases. Mayank is now joining us. Mayank, what will be on the agenda of this meeting?
We're seeing the wave of rising COVID-19 cases across the country. In fact, in the last 24 hours, more than 5,000 cases have been recorded. And now the Union Health Ministry has decided to hold a virtual meeting with all the state health ministers to decide about the preparedness to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. Remember, on the 10th and 11th of April, there are COVID mock drills that are scheduled to take place across the private and public hospitals in the country. And this meeting, this virtual meeting will, another step to, put all the state and the union, framework of COVID-19 management on the same page and to tackle the rising number of cases. This meeting has been planned. So the COVID mock drill and also the number of tests that are being conducted across the state, that will be on the agenda, because earlier as well we had seen health ministry writing to states which are reporting maximum number of cases to increase and increase in number of testing and stepping up their medical infrastructure. So those agendas will be dominating the conversation around between the Union Health Minister, Mr. Mansukh Mandavia, and all the state health ministers tomorrow.
Right. Thank you for joining us with those inputs. Nobody wants to leave any stones unturned this time around, not to be caught napping, to be prepared before the situation gets out of hand. The centre has been reiterating, though, be prepared, but there is no need to panic.